Hi everyone, welcome to my channel HTML Geeks. Today we are going to learn about top 5 amazing VS Code extension. These extensions are very useful. It increase your productivity and save your time. From here, if you still not subscribe our channel, subscribe and hit the like button. And from here we are going to tell you about the first extension name is auto rename tag. Auto rename tag, as I search in the extension, you have to simply went to the here and click and auto rename tag. Auto rename tag. Okay, like it is come. Okay, auto rename tag is very helpful. Like it is helpful, and the here this it is helpful because when you write code, like I gave you example like how it is work. Okay, I simply went to and open the folder. Okay, and from here I open this folder name like jquery1.html. Okay, like here I want to write some code, like I want to change this one h1 to p. I What I have to do is simply click p. Okay, and it change the last tag. Okay, as I p. And like here I want to change div from div to span. I simply have to write span, and it is convert the last div into span. Okay, you don't need to write again at the last. First of all, you have to write first, and then you have to write at the end of the tag and change the end of the tag name. Okay, from here we are going to tell you about the second one. Second one extension is prettier. As you know well about the prettier extension. Okay, prettier extension by prettier. As I open, okay, prettier code formatter, it is very helpful because when you write code consistently, need to uh, you don't need to see the like how you write the code. Okay, like I will give you example, like simply went in the code. Okay, like as you see my files, like I open this one, jquery dot. Okay, which one is like, as you see like in the form.html, here as you see like all the tag is written in the style. Okay, I don't write the code and fix it. Okay, like as you see like after p tag, it is the opening p tag is here and the closing is same at the bottom. Okay, and as input all in the three column in a row. Okay, in equal amount. Okay, as I give you example how it is work. Like here I write div class html class html. Okay, now I want to write again div class dot word. And as you see when I write the code, it is give you a style like from starting here div and then here, and I want to write p tag. Okay, as you see like it give you a style. Okay, give your file is good style. Okay, the prettier is very good extension to use. Now our third extension is I'm talking about the third extension is live server. Live server is very useful for those one who making static and dynamic pages in the web development. The live server name is like this one, Ritvik Day. Okay, as you install this one, I already installed this in my VS Code. Okay, as you see how many downloads has been here, 12 million downloads live server. And from here I give you example, and we have to simply went to the folder, open the folder. like I open this file folder, this one, jquery.html. Okay, here what I have to do is simply click the right. Okay, after you install in the extension, here is an option come open with live server. You have to simply click this one. Okay, it will open a new page in the browser. Okay, okay, let's just take the time. As you see, like now it is open jquery. Okay, jquery open in the browser from jquery1.html. And from here what we have to do is, like, I want to add some text here, like I want to add the h1 tag. Okay, name of live server. As you see, here we don't need to add reload our page. It's simply reload, and when I open the page, okay, we don't need to refresh again and again when we develop any website. Okay, it is very helpful for those who make projects on the web development, website making website. Okay, and from here we are going to our fourth one name is bracket colorizer. Bracket colorizer basically, uh, bracket colorizer bracket colorizer, like as I already installed it in my system. Okay, like in VS Code, bracket pair colorizer is very helpful because like when you write the JavaScript, okay, when you make any code, okay, like this one. Okay, and here we are sometimes we are not able to find our the last closing tag, like this one is open. Okay, and here in normal JavaScript we find where is our closing tag. Okay, closing bracket. Now from here you're simply see that, like the both bracket color is same, like his this is pink color and this is pink color, you able to find it. Let's I open my file jquery1.js. java.js. Okay, as you see, when I click this one, okay, it's simply give you the line which is the end bracket, and here like s1, and this one show like it is your starting bracket and it is the end bracket. Okay, it is very helpful when I writing JavaScript codes. And from here we went our fifth extension name is JavaScript ES6 code. JavaScript ES ES6 code snippets. Basically JavaScript code snippets is very useful because it save your time and you don't have to waste your time to write whole code. Okay, like I want to add this code, like IMA import this one from this folder. Okay, I simply have to write IMA. It is a shortcut IMA RQR. As I tell you, IMA, like here I write IMA. Okay, when I hit the enter, import as, it is come already. Okay, like I want to add some like IMP import. I want to import a function from the React component. I have to simply write this one IM RPCP, and here as you see prototype and prop types has come. Okay, now our final extension I'm talking about is the colorize. The colorize is very is also a good extension while we are working on the CSS. Okay, as you see colorize option come, and I also already installed it. And here I open my color.css. Okay, and here, okay, it's open. Okay, basically what the work is to is when we write our code. Okay, like we write colors like this one. Okay, when we click enter, it's come on the background. Okay, like I want the text color is, I will show you example. Text color, the color is like I want to add the red color, the text, and enter. As you see, like the color basically is come on the background where we write the color name. Okay. Ho- like as you say, hope you like this video. Like, subscribe and share.